teams store their code on GitHub, and you should store the code which you're using on your laptop on GitHub as well. But if you join a new team or you change your laptop, you're going to need to get the code from GitHub onto your machine again. And here's how you do that. So here I've got a GitHub repo, and let's say this is either a repo of a team which I've joined and they want me to start working on it, or it's code from a repo which I've made previously and maybe I've changed my laptop or I've broken the version I already got on my laptop. So I want to get all of this new fresh code saved on GitHub onto my machine. The first thing I've got to do is click this green button. When I open that, it says clone here. It gives me a few different options to do that. The main one I want to look at is the default one, and it gives me this link. If I hit copy in that link, it's going to copy the URL which points to this repo. Now I can go to my terminal. So now what I want to do is a git clone of that repo. So I paste the URL which I copied off of GitHub into there. And when I run that, it tells me that it's cloning into a new folder called demo repo. It goes through loading in all the objects that were in there, and then it says done. And now, if I list what's in this terminal, you'll see I've got that demo repo. That folder contains everything in this GitHub repo. And if I list inside of that, it contains everything that's in that repo. You can see it there. And you're going to do this for every project you work on if the GitHub repo already exists. So it's really important to get used to that git clone and understand how it works. Once you've got that repo cloned and you move inside the folder, you'll be able to see the .git folder there, indicating that I'm in the repo. And as long as you're inside this folder, then when you git cloned it, it should have set up everything that you need to start working straight away. So now, whenever I use the git command inside this directory, it's going to perform those commands on this repo. So git branch shows me the branches in this repo. Git log shows me the log of commits in this repo, and so on. So there, you should be ready to go.